Hello and welcome to this section where we are going to start talking about cryptography or crypto challenges. So before we get started, I want to take a moment just to give you an introduction to the tool that is going to be very helpful for all the challenges. And even if you are starting as an ethical hacker, this is one of the best tool to have in your pockets. And everything else that we are going to talk about in this course, we are going to come back and use this tool very often. And this is the tool that I have in your pocket, which is CyberChef. And if I just Google this, you can see, you can Google this also, and you'll get this link. If I open this link, now this is the product that is created and released for a free, which is from the government communication headquarters in the UK. So that's basically the intelligent server that has created this CyberSafe, and it has released to public as open source with the intention of people being able to use it in their job. And just anywhere that you can use this CyberSafe to do a lot of things. From cracking, you can see so many things that you can do from here. You can obviously write your own Python code to do this, but writing Python code obviously takes some time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But here you can just drag and drop things and you'll get the output in a moment. So this is a very powerful tool that you can have, and this is created by GCHQ, which is government headquarters. So this is very important tool to know. We are going to use it. I'm going to discuss about it in the next video, how to use this CyberSafe, how to create the tools and just create the recipe in this CyberSafe, which is very important concept. Just for the example, let us say that I gave the input hello from the course. Here is our input. Now what I am doing is I am going to convert it to the hex. So I'll just drag these two hex into my recipe. Then you can see what happens here. You get the result. You get the result right here, which is the hex code of this input. So you are going to use this, do a lot of challenges that is related to CTF, and you are going to use this a lot of things like encryption, encoding is there, and you can see from favorites, almost everything from favorites will be enough, but sometimes you can also go here and check for the encryption. This is also important if you want to do some encryption and decryption for your code. So this is the best tool to have if you want to quickly solve the CTF challenges, or if you want to quickly analyze the code and everything. So we are going to talk about it in detail in the next video.